Are you ready to dive into the vibrant world of Holi? Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Khalsa Anonymous. Today we're celebrating the Festival of Colors with a special Happy Holi landing page. Take a look at this beautifully designed landing page, created to spread the joy and excitement of Holi. From festive colors to engaging content, it's all here. Let's dive into the code behind this masterpiece. Here's a snippet of the HTML structure that forms the foundation of our Happy Holi landing page. I've carefully crafted every detail of this landing page to ensure a seamless experience for our viewers. Check out the interactive navbar, vibrant greeting message, and easy-to-use buttons. Here's how I styled the navbar and buttons using CSS to create a visually appealing and user-friendly interface. Thank you for joining us on this colorful journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content from Khalsa Anonymous. Wishing you a happy Holi filled with love, laughter, and lots of colors. Subscribe to Khalsa Anonymous for more tech tutorials, design inspiration, and festive celebrations. Happy Holi, everyone!